Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add vector art to your Wix website. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to the left panel, click on the Add Element button. Okay, just click on it. Now go ahead and select vector art. If you can't find it directly, you can go ahead and use the search bar and type in vector. Okay, hit on enter. Wait for it to load. As you can see here we have some free vectors from Wix itself. Okay, show more right here, or show more from Wix illustrations. Okay, just click on one, for example, this elephant right here, and then add to page. There you go. Now, if you want to upload a vector yourself, you can just easily do so by going to your media right here, the left panel, click on it, and just upload a file. Upload from computer, and then select the vector. Okay, for example, this one right here. Hit on open, wait for it to upload, and once done, make sure that it is highlighted. Hit on add to page. There you have it. That's how you add vector art here on Wix. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.